Welcome to Sky TV, where we come to get financially lit. And in this video, I'm going to explain one of the best investment strategies you can use during a bear market. So now, let's get started. So for those of y'all not watching the markets, stocks and crypto have been going down consistently for about 6 months. It has been a bloodbath since 2022 began and things have just been tanking. But that doesn't mean you can't invest. That doesn't mean to be scared of investing or don't enter the market. It just means you gotta move smart with the way you choose to invest. And with that being said, I'm going to explain a strategy known as dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is when you invest in a stock consistently over a period of time. It involves investing a fixed amount of money on a set schedule. So let me give you an example of how you can invest using dollar cost averaging. Let's say you came across $3,000 that you want to invest. You did research and you found a stock that you want to invest the $3,000 into. Instead of taking all your money and investing it into the stock at one time, you choose the dollar cost average. Now what you do is you break it down. You say, okay, I have $3,000. I'm going to invest on the 5th of every month, $500 into the stock over a period of 6 months. Now we have a fixed amount, which is $500, and we have a set schedule, which is the 5th of every month for 6 months. That is just an example, but you can do this with any amount of money, $1,000, $5,000, $20,000, $100,000. You can do this with any date. It don't have to be the 5th. It can be the 1st of every month, the 3rd of every month. You can change it and personalize your strategy. It works with any amount and any date. It can be 6 months, 12 months, and so on. The reason this strategy is so effective is because it allows you to benefit from the volatility of a stock. During a bear market, you don't want to invest all your money at one time because if the stock continues to fall, you won't have any money left over to buy that stock at a lower price. Please, please, please do not be the person who rushes, think that they time the bottom and invest all their money into the market and the market continue to decrease, because you'll be sitting there and you will be hurt. Invest through dollar cost averaging. Invest smaller investments over the period of time. Make a fixed schedule, make a fixed amount. Do not do lump sum investments in bear markets. And that wraps up the video for today. I hope you guys learned about dollar cost averaging and how to use it effectively. I hope you guys implement it into your investment strategy. Please hit that like button and a subscribe button. I have more financial content coming soon. This is Sky TV, where we come to get financially lit, and I'm gonna see y'all at my next video.